Bring the funk back. Bring the funk back.
And there we have it, the finished 3D printed tugboat. Really pleased overall with this model. I printed it at a 75% scale just to fit on the Prusa Mini, which is why I didn't include any of the robotics that some of the instructions state that you can put in. I also didn't really want to wait a month lead time for some AliExpress parts. Might be a future thing that I do with this tugboat, put some RC components in it and add the rudder. But I think overall this is a really good model. One of my favorite parts about this model is that lots of the support was designed as a print-in-place support that you can just remove after the model itself when it prints. So that's a really good feature that makes printing very easy and sort of second nature. But overall, all the details of this model, the separation of the parts to be able to pre-print it in different colors is very, very good. And yeah, overall very pleased with this print. I'll leave the link in the description below to download it at Cults3D if you'd like to print this model for yourself. Now it's time for the float test. Well, I think this would float if the weight was a little better distributed on the bottom. Maybe we can take this apart and put some more weights at the bottom to make sure it stays up straight. In the creator's video, this has been tested and used in a lake, so we know that this is in fact a floatable print. Might just have to change some of the settings, to make this completely watertight. I can see a few blemishes in there that some water might get in, as well as maybe make the weight a little more bottom heavy so it doesn't be so top heavy and tip over as such. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please consider subscribing. It really helps out this channel and encourages us to make more cool projects like this, as well as design some of our own cool, unique designs. So once again, thank you for watching, and as always, happy printing.